What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best treadmill under 500. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the GOPLUS 2.25 HP electric treadmill. You can get more results in less time with the brand new and high-quality GOPLUS 2.25 HP electric treadmill foldable running jogging fitness machine. You can make your home gymnasium with this electric treadmill. This device is made from high-quality steel. The capacity is up to 250 pounds, as far as possible to meet your need. It comes with 2.25 HP Impulse Max motor and heavy-duty construction. This best folding treadmill under $500 also features a 5 inches Blu-ray LCD, which provides you the best watching experience. The display shows time, calories, distance, speed, pulse, and incline. The big rubber running belt gives you a more comfortable and more stable workout experience. The inclination could be manually adjusted in 3 levels, which helps you to burn more calories, tone more muscle, and build greater endurance. This beautiful treadmill offers an adjustable running speed from 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour. You can choose different speed base for different workout purposes. This device is made with a secure folding mechanism and a soft drop system, which helps you to fold and unfold your treadmill safely. You will get noise-reducing and decreasing vibration facility with its 4 silicone pads, 2 on each side of this machine. Moving on, at number 4, we have the XTERRA Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill Black. The XTERRA Fitness Trail 150 Folding Treadmill offers the quality and best performance you desire, the flexibility of a machine. These beautiful machines are foldable, and you can store them away. This treadmill is specially designed for your home environment, as you can make your home gymnasium. The Trail 150 is developed with your high performance and comfort exercise in mind. This fitness machine will fulfill all your fitness expectations. The advanced training programs of it help to create an exceptionally comfortable workout. This fantastic machine specially designed to keep you moving on. The 5 inches LCD console tracks all your necessary workout feedback, including speed, time, distance, calories, and pulse. The preset speed settings provide the fast and easy control of your workout. It has the hand pulse grip sensors which keep you in your training zone and help to achieve your goals. This beautiful treadmill made with XTERRA soft deck cushioning technology, which provides multiple points of cushioning facility throughout the deck support system for the maximum impact absorption. It has 3 manual incline settings which ensure maximum variety. This machine provides you enough room with its large running space. At number 3, we have the SERENELIFE Smart Digital Folding Treadmill. The SERENELIFE treadmill is one of the best treadmills under 500. This foldable machine will make your home exercise more enjoyable. This treadmill is portable and foldable for easy setup and storage. This machine comes with an electric plug-in simple design, built-in grip sensors for pulse monitoring, motorized treadmill power of 1.5 HP, and adjustable speed up to 7.5 miles per hour. It has a large running surface, stop, start and speed control facility on the handles gives you the most comfortable control on it. This digital treadmill is with manual incline digital technology and engineered for stability and speed. These treadmills for under $500 make your exercise more enjoyable and keep your body fit. This user-friendly treadmill has incremental buttons on the console, as you can select the desired speed easily. The machines double protect you during working out with its safety keys and emergency stop button on the handrail. This treadmill has a cushion design on both, which reduces noise and decreases vibration to your floor. It is made with soft drop system. The incline settings strengthen your workout intensity and provide you the best and quiet workout experience. At number 2, we have the MERAX Easy Assembly Folding Electric Treadmill. The MERAX JK1603E Easy Assembly Folding Electric Treadmill is a great home treadmill powered by a strong motor, sized for convenience, and outfitted with just the right features for your efficient workout. If you don't have time to go to the gym, prevented from running due to bad weather, this home using a treadmill is the right choice for you. Your home becomes an ideal gym to keep you in shape with this beautiful treadmill. This stylish best treadmill under $500 multifunctional display that allows the user to track progress in the distance, speed, heart rate, and calories burned. Its perfect size and folding design are best for your home use. These beautiful treadmills have a safety emergency stop key and an extremely low noise motor for your maximum safety. Especially the attractive design is including a safe and convenient workout for you. The beautiful deck ensures useful cushioning for back, ankle, and knee joints, which helps your muscles to recover faster from the exercise. The anti-slip diamond pattern belt offers the ultimate comfort. Its thick 4-layer running belt ensures durability. You can track your rate continuously with hand pulse sensor. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Portable Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness Portable Treadmill with Auto Incline is the most superior treadmill ever. This beautiful treadmill is perfect for your home use. The Auto Incline improves your cardio routine. 15 incline levels, creating plenty of resistance to achieve the maximum burn at any time. The quick buttons allow adjusting incline levels, the 6th of March 12, and the rapid speed buttons for 2-4 to 6 miles per hour. The digital display helps to track time, speed, distance, calories, incline, steps, and body fat percentage. This stylish treadmill has hand pulse sensors, which give the facility of monitoring your heart rate accurately. This portable best running treadmill under $500 has built-in transportation wheels and a hassle-free folding design. The soft drop system of this device provides you a comfortable running experience. This device helps to lengthen your workout with its shock absorption technology. This solves your common joint pain problems. Its device holder offers a secured place for your mobile phone or iPod, and a place for water bottle storage. It has pulse grips too. You can acquire your unique fitness goals with this advanced designed treadmill. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.